Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco salsa. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a truly authentic flavor. You'll need ripe tomatoes, a fresh onion, and a generous bunch of cilantro. Don't forget your choice of chili peppers like jalapenos to control the spice level. Fresh garlic, lime juice, and a pinch of salt are also crucial for balancing the taste. Now let's get to the preparation. For a richer flavor, consider roasting or charring your tomatoes and chili peppers. This simple step adds a wonderful smoky depth. Once cooled, finely dice your onion, cilantro, and garlic. You can also roughly chop your roasted tomatoes and peppers. Combine all these fresh ingredients in a mixing bowl, ready for the next step. It's time to bring it all together. Transfer your combined ingredients to a blender or food processor. Pulse a few times until you reach your desired consistency, whether you prefer it chunky or smoother. Now, add fresh lime juice and salt. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Finally, let your salsa rest for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to truly meld. Your delicious homemade taco salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it fresh with your favorite warm tacos, tortilla chips, or as a vibrant topping for any Mexican dish. For best flavor, consume within 3 to 5 days. Store any leftover salsa in an airtight container in the refrigerator. And hey, if you're looking for more great deals and the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.